Hey everyone. So this is what is going on down here today. As the title says, sometimes you just say nope. It's rough. It's windy. It's not nice. I just want to give everybody a little taste of what's going on down here. It's cold. So let's take a walk down to the dock. Hope everybody's having a good day. Birds. So yeah, it's rough, man. It just gets you. The wind just blows and gets you. Sorry if it's too windy, but I'll try to stay out of the wind a little bit. Oh, that's a nice shot right there. But I just want to give everybody a little taste of what's going on down here. This is heads out to Long Island Sound. So yeah, that's a nice shot right there, isn't it? The sun, a little water. If it wasn't windy, that would be awesome. It's just, you get days like this. I mean, what can you do? You still got to enjoy them, though. That's all. You know, take what you can get. You don't get it for very long. But I just want to give everybody a share of what's going on. Hey, you got anything to say? Any advice? No? Okay. So, all right. We'll take a quick walk over here. This is basically the dock that I work off of in the summer. Oh, that's my bike lock. That thing's been there for like 9 years. I don't know why. It still works. Town never takes it. It's just how it goes down here. This is the summer house gazebo area. So, a couple boats. People are still using to go out to the islands. You know? But, yeah, this is the dock area. Woo. I hope the wind's not messing everybody up. Trying to keep you out of the wind. But as you can see, the boats are rocking. So, man, my hands are cold. But give you one little quick more walk down here. I just wanted to give everybody a quick view of the nastiness today.